and wanted to get back to you on some of the things we talked about this morning. So the first thing is the cover overlay. In order to deactivate that color overlay, you click into these three dots. Click these three dots, and on your profile, there's going to be a check there. So you want to uncheck that color overlay, and then you don't have any of that funky color. Also, I wanted to show you how to fix your Week at a Glance navigational tool. Now, I did do some research and found out that you can't import your navigational tools. You don't have to recreate them, but you have to put in the correct link. So let me show you how to do that. I'm actually working in this particular class right here, and I created a link just like you have, Week at a Glance. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to put in the active link. So I'm thinking, if I remember correctly, that you wanted, when students click on the Week at a Glance, you want them to be at the top of the modules. So you would want to go to your modules and pick up that link, right? So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my settings. I'm going to go, I'm already there because I've been messing around there, but you're going to see, you're going to automatically drop into course details. So you're going to want to click into apps and view app configurations, and then you're going to page down and you're going to look for Week at a Glance. So when you find your Week at a Glance, there's going to be a cogwheel here, and you want to edit that with the correct link. That particular link that you see in your module, in your course right now, is the link from your fall class. So you want to put in the spring link. So you would get rid of all of that, drop in that link, click submit, so that and then you have to refresh. So I'm going to refresh so that when students click on Week at a Glance, they're going to be at the top of the modules. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Also, I did reach out to Casey, and I'm waiting to hear back about your Period 3 ELA missing course.